The world of barcodes is vital for modern business success, yet often misunderstood by entrepreneurs. Have you ever wondered how products arrive at your doorstep so quickly? The answer lies in barcodes. Universal Product Code, or UPC, is the critical symbology for tracking products across retail chains. Most major retailers, including Amazon and Walmart, mandate that products display a valid UPC barcode. Contrary to popular belief, free online UPC barcode generators provide barcodes that lack authenticity and legitimacy. Recognizing the significance of barcodes can transform your business practices and streamline operations effectively. GS1 is the official provider of licensed UPC barcodes, ensuring consistency across the global supply chain. Using unauthorized barcode resellers can lead to legal complications, ultimately affecting your business reputation. Obtaining your UPCs through GS1 or authorized partners guarantees retailer acceptance and peace of mind. Invest in authentic UPC barcodes today and empower your business to thrive in a competitive market.